Hi, you're welcome to Curiosity TV. Today I'll be showing you another wonderful platform you can go to start making good income for yourself. Quickly go to your Chrome browser and search for a platform named mindsumo.com. 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 What is Mindsumo.com? This is a platform that enables you to earn income or by just doing research. By doing research, you can see get the innovative ideas you need. A business can't grow without innovative. Mindsumo helps you crowdsource breakthrough ideas quickly and affordable creative problem solver. So this is a platform which help people solve their problem. So if you're also a good creative researcher, you can also go to this platform to help people solve their problem once a company submits their project on this platform. So this is it. So they have so many job opportunity on this platform. So how can you now join this platform? You either choose launch a project and get the ideas, or share your ideas and earn cash. So we are a problem solver. So we'll be joining this platform as a problem solver. Let us introduce ourselves. Mindsumo was created out of the Stanford Student Startup Accelerator StartS by three friends who wanted to change the way that creative thinkers and companies worked together. So try to read about all their information, then you can register. Then you register, you can say pay for college expense and etc. Most students are able to generate good income for themselves through this platform by just doing research for company. You can see, you can view current challenge to see what company actually need what solution for. So as a new person, first of all need to register on this platform, sign in, that is if you already have account. But if you don't have account before, you can click don't have an account yet, then you input your first name, your last name, and also your location, then your email address. Then you input your password. So that's it. Then your date of birth, (28). So that's it. Then you choose your gender, male. Then your creative skills, below average proficiency, no proficiency. I would employ you to choose average proficiency because that's even sell better. But if you think you have good idea, at least up above intermediate, you can choose above average proficiency because that sell your skill fast. Marketing skills, and it's enable this platform to even accept you easier. So can prove above average, technical skills above average. What are you interested in Mindsumo? Input whatever you're interested in. Technical, research. What type of project are you interested in solving? technical problem. Then refer you. Just write social media. Referrals. Olamide Adebayo. Then launch challenge. I would like to receive weekly. I would like to receive promotion. I have read and accept. I certify. Then I am not a robot. Then social traffic lights. So that's then you sign up. So thank you for registering on MindSumo. Thank you for registering. You can see we have successfully registered on this platform. Then save our password. Then I am a server. Click on I am a server. Once you click on I am a server, then you'll be able to have access to view current challenge on this platform. Future challenge. What message could unlock star potential for our strong effective portfolio of, you can see this is also 24 days left. You can see, so top 50% will be given $1,600. This is the current challenge. Then you do research on this. I have idea. Once you done the research, then you submit. Then the top 50% will be paid. You can see top 10% will share $1,000. Top 15% will share $400. The next will share $200. That's just it. So kindly hit the notification bell and the subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I dropped awesome video just like this. Thanks.